This is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable motion capture on your camera phone. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! New research suggests a smartphone app can replace all the different system and technologies currently needed to perform motion capture, a process that translates body movements into computer-generated image. And what if you want to enable this feature on your phone, on your camera on phone? In this video, I will show you how to do it. Here's I'm using Xiaomi phone, and on Xiaomi we have feature motion capture. So to turn this feature on, you can just open your camera. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. There is an option settings, you can just tap on that. Now you can just scroll down. There is an option motion capture. You can enable this feature by tap on the toggle on here. This feature is track motion to minimize blur on the photos of children, pets, and other active subject. Now, this feature is active on your camera. So when you try to capture movement object on your camera, your phone will reduce the blurry on the photo. It's so simple, right? So that is how to enable motion capture on your camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!